We'll show you how to schedule a message on your iPhone. This feature is great for planning ahead and ensuring your messages are sent at the right time. This feature is added on iOS 18 natively. In the past, you could use the Shortcut app to make a new automation to send a message, but now you can send a message directly on iOS 18. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. Open the Messages app on your iPhone. Now tap on the person who you want to send a message. On the bottom, you see the message input and a plus sign. Tap on the plus icon. On this new menu, tap on More. Now tap on Send Later. Now write the message you want. After you finish the message, you will see that you have an option on the top of the message. Tap on that. You will be able to edit the time when the message will be sent. After you finish, just tap on the arrow from the right of the message. If you want to change the time or delete the message, just tap on the edit from the message scheduled to be sent. You will be able to send the message, edit the time, or delete the message. For now, there is no edit for the text, but I am sure that in the future this feature will appear. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to schedule a message on your iPhone using the Messages app on iPhone with iOS 18. This feature can help you stay organized and ensure your messages are sent at the right time. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.